First, you can see there are 12 bolts on the cover and now we have to remove them all. After the bolts are removed, use the opening pick to take off the cover. When taking off the case, pay extra attention to the L ports because you don't want to damage them. Follow the direction and do it carefully. Please check out MSI website for the full spec of your laptop. This model has one SSD slot. To remove the SSD, first we have to remove the bolt. After the bolt is removed, unplug the SSD with the angle that's about 45 degrees. The second part is RAM. To remove the memory module, first we need to pull the clips next to it and allow the memory module to pop up. After that, unplug it with the angle that's about 45 degrees. If you would like to upgrade RAM, it's better that you use two of the same brand and spec to avoid the compatibility issue. That's the end of the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.